In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your display name on Yahoo Mail. Whether you've recently changed your name, want to use a different alias, or simply need a refresh, altering your display name is a straightforward process. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log into your Yahoo Mail account. If you're already in, great. If not, just enter your username and password on the login page and hit enter. Once you're signed in and viewing your inbox, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon, which is generally a small circle displaying your initial or profile picture. Give this a click. A pop-up menu will appear offering several options. From this menu, you want to select Account Info. Doing so will prompt a new tab to open, taking you to your personal info page. This new area is where you can manage various facets of your account details and preferences, a one-stop shop for all things personal information related on Yahoo. Once you're on the personal info page, look towards the top right corner once again. You'll see the Edit option, an essential tool for making changes to your account information. Clicking on Edit will unlock several fields, specifically intended for your first name, last name, and perhaps a nickname if you've added one before. Go ahead and click on the field containing the name you want to change. You'll be able to type in your new desired name. After typing in the new name, it's wise to double check it for any typos or errors. It's always a good idea to make sure everything is spelled correctly to avoid future confusion or the need to repeat this process. Once you are satisfied with the changes, the last step is to ensure these updates are saved. Look for the Done button, typically situated at the bottom of these fields. Click on Done and your new display name will be officially saved. And that's it. Your display name has now been successfully updated on Yahoo Mail. The next time you send an email, recipients will see your new display name reflecting the change you've made. Remember, having an accurate and up-to-date display name is crucial, especially for professional communication, so don't hesitate to update it whenever necessary. I hope this guide has been helpful for you today, and you now feel confident in managing your Yahoo Mail display name updates. Thanks for watching.